Hi there, welcome to video 2 of our 5-step video on how to make a milk carton guitar out of junk that you have at home. Step 1 was making a hole in the bottom of our milk carton as well as a hole inside. This is going to be the sound hole of our guitar. So we're actually going to go on to step 2, which is forming the neck of our guitar from a couple of cardboard tubes. So what we are going to do actually is insert this big paper towel tube into the bottom of our milk carton. So we've made this little hole, we've made some snip with our scissors. We're actually just going to put our finger in there, make this a little bit bigger. So we can actually slide this tube inside. You can actually pinch the ends of the tube so it goes in a little easier. Twist it around like so. So when you're done, it should slide all the way in. I like to have these points of the carton sticking out. So you should be able to see the tube inside that hole. The next thing we're going to do to add a little length to the neck of our guitar, which is going to hold our strings, is take one of our small tubes. This is actually the one we traced with. And we're going to slide it on top of this one. Now to make that a little bit easier, I'm going to take my scissors and make 2 cuts on either side of this tube, like so. This just allows this to pinch in a little bit easier to make the little tube fit on top easier. And what I'm going to do to make it stronger is add a little bit of glue along the top of this longer tube. So when I slide these 2 pieces together, we really want them to lock in place and let the glue dry because we want this instrument to be around for a while. So pinch this in and slide our tube on, wipe off that extra glue, slide on our tube until it's snug and tight. And so we have this very long tube sticking out of our milk carton. This is going to be the neck of our guitar. So we are going to wait until that glue dries. Check the next video for step 3 on how to complete our milk carton guitar. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, guys.